Hello friends, a very good day to you all. Really, I want you all to enjoy life. I am enjoying life now. Followed. As they say, life begins at 50. Why not let it prove it that life really begins at 50? Now, being a wellness coach for 50 plus, I will say no excuses of any type should be an obstruction in your way to be active. No obstructions in your way to be active. That is only an excuse. Got it? Now, being a wellness coach of above 50, I'll tell you something. Listen to it very carefully till the end of the video. Got it? Fine. I am Sunita Paul, wellness coach from Wellness Nutrition Hub, a wellness coach for 50 plus and all those who are overweight. You all are born to enjoy life. You are 50 plus. That doesn't mean that now you are going to stretch your legs on the couch or on the sofa or on the bed. No. If you keep on doing this, what will happen? Just think of it. What is going to be the result? Your joints will get stiff. Your muscles will get sore. The day you stand up and walk a few ins and outs or go to the garden and come back inside the house, your legs will be paining, your joints will be paining, your muscles will be sore, and you will ask for some medication or ask someone to help you in restoring or get me feet bath in a hot water with Epsom salt. No, nothing. If you keep your weight okay, if you are on an ideal weight according to your height, I'll tell you, you're going to enjoy life. There is a saying, isn't it? Life begins at 50. Do that. Do you know there are many groups in the whole world, you know? For example, senior citizens traveling group. There is a group which goes on sightseeing, or not sightseeing, rather go on visiting different places, different cities, different countries. The group's name is Silver Wings. Yes, I remember, it is Silver Wings. Or you can see many groups which are voyages group for above 50 plus. Or you can see that a traveling group or exploring group of 60 plus or 50 plus. So when there are so many things in the world for you to move around with the group, you don't have to feel lonely also. So when you join this group and go to the different places, visit different places, you enjoy life. You get new friends like you, because when you travel or go for vacation or travel around in a family group, you know what happens? There is a child of 6 years, there is a young person of 20, 30, 40 years, and then you two, husband, wife, the senior citizens are all alone left. They will walk at their speed, you will walk at your speed. Half the time people will be saying, the family members will be saying, oh, we shouldn't have brought them, they can't even walk properly, this and that. So you join your age group for traveling, you'll enjoy life, I'm telling you. But for that, you have to make yourself fit. You have to make yourself healthy. You have to change your attitude. You have to change your negativity and come down to the positivity. So today I can give you a rough sketch what you should do. The first and foremost thing is that you have to be active, and for this you have to exercise. Don't say I can't do exercise. Maybe you are coming in contact with this video now, and you have already spent 6 years on the bed or 6 years on the couch lying down and just gaining weight. No. You will say you can't do exercise, but I will say that don't put this excuse. To be on your own, you have to be active, and to be active, you have to do exercise. Maybe initially you can't go with the group. Alone you won't do that, I know. Oh my, I got tired, I'm going to the bed, I'm sitting on the sofa, I'll just put on the TV. No, nothing of that type. Please note, nothing of that type. Followed. You join a community. To join the community, you need a coach. To get a coach, you need a mindset, motivated. And for getting motivated, you need a mindset. Get motivated, have a mindset, look for a coach, join the community, and enjoy the life. You won't even know in 100 days you have lost your 14 kgs in a healthy way. Eating everything, not giving away something. Followed. So, physical exercises you have to do. Initially, you may not like it, or initially, you may not be able to work for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. 5 minutes is enough for starting it. Why you don't want to start? Please do start. Take my suggestion, followed, and do start your exercise. The physical exercise makes a lot of difference to your body. It keeps you active, it keeps you independent, and also the changes occurs inside your body. Your sore muscles get active, your joints get flexible. At the same time, your attitude becomes positive, your thoughts become positive. And I'm telling you, if you're going to put an excuse that I don't have any company to do exercise with, I told you just now, join a community of the similar type of people who want to lose weight, and get activated. Followed. Remain active, remain positive under the guidance of your wellness health coach. You are not going to lose anything, you are going to gain. And after you gain this, you are going to enjoy life. Followed. So, no excuses for avoiding anything that is good for your health. Mark my words. No excuses for avoiding anything. Anything means anything that is good for your health. Even more, this is the time when you have to start thinking about you and how you can decrease your dependence on others. Followed. So, now I will tell you something. Start your day with an exercise. Start your day in a community. We always have a first our community is wishing everyone a good thing and then putting forward a positive video or a positive or motivated thought or a phrase. So I am giving you a motivation that think positive, be positive, remain positive, help yourself, help others. Got it? So now you don't have to look for any excuses. So after the positive thought, go for exercise. After the exercise, sit for some time, relax for some time, have your tea, have your breakfast, a good, balanced, nutritive breakfast. According to your age, the calories needed by your body, that much you have to eat. Don't eat extra calories, they are going to be deposited in your body and again weight gain and again weight gain. No, we don't want to gain weight at all now. After that, after your morning breakfast, have some relaxation, read something, talk to others, and do a little work over here and there. Go to your garden, go talk to your flowers. If you don't have a garden, you have got plants in your balcony, I say talk to your flowers, talk to the plants in the balcony. They will feel very happy, they will be fresh, they will look for you. And if you are not, even if you water the plants and if you are not there, they are not so happy. Their leaves won't be so happy, you know, the flowers won't bloom properly. But if you talk to them, they need a company. You put one plant alone and put 5 or 6 pots together, you see that single plant is missing the company. In a similar way, you are also missing a company. So join the community, be with others. And one more thing, take your lunch and dinner according to your age, according to your weight, and keeping the calories and the nutrition in mind. At this stage of the life, you know, our body gives us many signals, and try to listen the signals and be aware of them. Followed. Now, what are these signals? Initially, you may feel a little uncomfortable, but then you overlook it. That uncomfortable, maybe you are climbing the stairs and you are getting breathless. This breathlessness while climbing the stairs is not only to overlook. Some say it is an age factor that I cannot climb the stairs. But I will tell you that your weight, which is extra, is not permitting you to climb the stairs. Take care of your weight, be on your ideal weight, and I'll tell you, you can even climb 3 stairs after 60 also. 3 stories after 60 also. So that was a signal of breathlessness which your body gave you. Try to listen to every signal which your body gives you. When you are having your lunch, when you are having your dinner, if you are having the mindful eating, that means concentrate on your eating, enjoy the flavor, enjoy the taste, enjoy the texture of the food, and then you see that you are not eating much and you are already full. Followed. But serve a little less initially. If you need, you can take a second helping. And when you do mindful eating, you know what happens, after some time you will get a signal from your stomach, that is from the brain and from the stomach, that you have to stop eating now. And if you don't stop eating, you overlook that signal and keep on feeding yourself, putting everything in your stomach, naturally you are going to gain weight. No one is going to stop you from gaining weight. So a coach is needed. A coach will guide you, a coach will tell you, a coach will suggest you what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat, and what to eat. Got it? So listen to your body signals parallel to your weight loss. When you are losing your weight, what happens? You are gaining your energy level. The same energy was distributed on such a wide area, and when you are losing the fats, the area becomes less and you get more energy. When you eat well, you eat balanced, you eat nutritive, you eat less calories, your immune system is also going to increase. Your energy level will increase, your immunity level will increase, and you will feel much, much, much better. Try to have at least try to have your overall checkups at least once in 6 months. Now tell me something. Don't you want to age gracefully? Aging gracefully, who wouldn't like it? I will like it. I would like to age gracefully, enjoy each year of my extending life. The year which I grow, I enjoy that life. Followed. So age gracefully, with fun, with eating everything in a controlled way. You have to improve your eating habits. In short, I would rather say make small changes in your lifestyle, in your eating habits. in your behavior, in your thought, in your exercises, and see how gracefully you will be aging. You will enjoy each day of the month, you will enjoy each week of the month, you will enjoy each month till you age up. As you age up, you enjoy and do it gracefully. So, at the end, I will say exercise and diet matters. Small changes in the lifestyle matters. Teach yourself, teach others. Take care of yourself, take care of others who are on the similar age group like you. So friends, I hope I could convey something to you which may be of your importance. This was Sunita Paul a wellness coach of 50 plus from Wellness Nutrition Hub. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do comment, like and share my video. If you are new to this video, do subscribe to it. Here I will tell you, here I am going to give a disclaimer. The disclaimer is, no two persons are alike. So the result of no two persons are same. It varies from person to person. Thank you again. Thank you for listening to me.